How to fix Google Meet? Your mic is muted by system. So, let's say your mic is muted for some reason and it's not from the actual Google Meet app or from the website. So you could either just open it up like this or here, but you can set up the mic in your settings. So just go ahead into your settings and then your sound system. You can do that by searching it up in your search bar. But once you're in settings, just go ahead and look for your mic. The microphone should be right above if that's what you use mostly, but you can just look for it in your volume or audio settings. But as long as you get into your microphone, which should be this setting over here, all you'll have to do at that point is open it up and make sure it's toggled on for whichever Google Meet you're using from. So either your browser, and once you go back to your Meet, you should be able to use your microphone. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.